Hi friend, in question answer series of Agentic AI, we are moving to question number 21. What is the role of system message in defining an agent's behavior? System messages are powerful part of agent's prompt that define its persona, rules, and overarching instructions. They provide a high-level, persistent set of guidelines that influence the agent's entire behavior, ensuring consistency and alignment with desired outcome. Moving to question number 22. How would you design an agent to be non-deterministic? A non-deterministic agent would introduce an element of randomness or exploration into its decision making. This could be achieved by using a temperature setting greater than 0 on LLM or by providing the agent with a random choice tool, allowing it to explore different actions and discover new strategies. Moving to question number 23. What is difference between an agent and a tool? An agent is autonomous system that plans, reason and use tools to achieve a goal. A tool is a specific single purpose function or API that the agent can call to perform a task it cannot do on its own. The agent is the director and the tools are the actors. Moving to question number 24. How do you implement guardrail in an agent? Guardrail are safety measures to prevent unwanted behavior. They can be implemented through prompting, explicitly stating forbidden actions or topics in system prompt, input output filtering, using a separate LLM or simple classifier to check the agent's input and output for harmful content. Tool based safety. Having a dedicated safety check tool that the agent must call before executing a high risk action. Moving to question number 25. What is the purpose of self reliant in an agent's workflow? Self reliant is steps where an agent critically evaluates its own previous output or action. It's a form of internal feedback loop where the agent identifies potential errors, corrects them, and updates its approach, leading to a more accurate and robust final results. Moving to question number 26. How do agents handle time sensitive information? For time sensitive information, agents must use tools that can provide real time data. For example, a search tool which a time constraint or an API call to a live stock ticker would be necessary. The agent must also be able to recognize when its stored information might be outdated. Moving to question number 27. What are some key challenges in building robust agentic system? There are multiple challenges listed here. Cost and latency. The iterative nature of LLM call can expensive and slow. Reliability. The non-deterministic nature of LLMs can lead to unpredictable behavior. Safety and alignment. Ensure ensuring the agent's goal and action are always aligned with human values. Context management. Effectively managing long-term and short-term memory to avoid information loss or confusion. Moving to question number 28. Explain the concept of embodied agent. Embodied agent are AI systems that exist in physical form such as robots. They can interact with the real world through sensor perception and accurate action. The agentic loop still applies, but its action have physical consequences, making safety and real world planning even more critical. Moving to question number 29. What is the role of human in the loop? HITL. Human in the loop is a system design where a human is involved in agent's workflow, typically at critical junction. The human might approve a plan, correct a mistake, or take over when a task becomes too complex or risky for agent. This ensures safety and maintains quality. Moving to question number 13. How do you manage token uses in an agent to control cost? Summarization using a separate LLM call to summarize the agent's conversion history before passing it to the main agent. Selective context. Only retrieving and passing the most relevant piece of the information from memory. Model choice. Using a smaller, more efficient LLM for simple tasks. Fine tuning. Fine tuning a smaller model on a specific task to avoid expensive LLM API calls. So friends, these are next 10 questions in Agentic AI. Hope you are enjoy the learning. Thank you.